I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 campaign. However, it's important to know that this title broke from tradition by not including a dedicated single-player campaign. Instead, the game focuses on multiplayer, zombies, and a battle royale mode called Blackout. The closest experience to a campaign is found within the Specialist Headquarters, which offers unique narrative content and gameplay instruction. The Specialist Headquarters is where you'll find the game's primary narrative. Here, you can delve into the individual stories of the 10 unique specialists. Each specialist has their own mission, featuring a cinematic that reveals their background and a combat immersion skirmish. These missions also serve as tutorials, teaching you how to effectively use each character's special abilities and equipment across 3 increasing difficulty levels. Beyond the Specialist Headquarters, the game's story continues to unfold within its other modes. The Cooperative Zombies mode offers a deep, evolving narrative with distinct storylines and characters across multiple maps. Additionally, the Blackout Battle Royale mode incorporates lore from previous Black Ops titles, featuring iconic characters like Alex Mason and Frank Woods, and hinting at a larger overarching plot through its map and events. To fully engage with the story of this Call of Duty title, start with the Specialist Headquarters to grasp the individual character arcs and master their unique skills. Then, dive into the Zombies mode to experience its intricate and often mysterious storylines. Finally, explore the Blackout map and its character roster to uncover subtle narrative links that tie the entire Black Ops universe together, offering a unique storytelling approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.